earth can you struggle to get reviews? I've gone through reviews so much. Reviews should be, I think, the easiest part of your launch should be getting reviews now. It is super easy to get them. All you need to do, Mark, is go through the step-by-step strategy that I told you to do. Let's just go back. Go through the step-by-step strategy that I've shown you how to do. If you're looking for reviews here in Australia, then you should use the friends of your friends strategy and just come into the latest Q&A. Can you get it wasn't that one. Q&A archives. So I don't know if you've been here, but the archives are just full of awesomeness. Use friends of friends to buy and review your products here in Australia, or in another country you use my Upwork strategy to do it. And I covered my Upwork strategy. It wasn't last week, it was a week before, I think. So just come over to this page, Q&A archives, and it's like the one at the very bottom. And of course, because there's hundreds of videos on here now, it's taking forever to load. But it's pretty simple. You post a job. Actually, I've got a job running on Upwork right now for that. So let me just show you that. That's going to be much easier rather than dicking around. I'll just show you. Here we go. Simple Amazon admin support task. Let's just go to my view job post. There you go. Dead easy. So the simple Amazon admin support task. I don't say anything about give me reviews because that would be bad. Hi, I'm looking for some help with some simple admin tasks on Amazon. The work is very simple, take you about an hour to do. You just need a computer and an internet connection. Ideally, you'll have already purchased something on Amazon so you know how Amazon works. Now, of course, I don't care if they know how Amazon works. I just want them to have purchased something before so they can actually review my product. It is so easy to do, so easy to do. That should not be at all, Mark, an issue for you, mate. And it's covered in great detail in my training and also in this Q&A, which I think, scrolly, Amazon FCA, if you're screwed out, oops. Negative Amazon reviews, how to give how to make, it's in one of these videos. Should you share how to make, oops. Look at the cool stuff we've covered. Holy shit, we've covered some awesome stuff. Let me just find it, because now I'm like, where are you? And I must find it, otherwise I won't be able to sleep and I'll have to reviews. Oh, how to get reviews on Amazon. There it is. September the 17th. It's there for you in great detail how to do it. It's a simple strategy, and it's that. It's that, what I've just shown you. Or in the training program, like in one of the modules, it says how to do it if you are in the target country too. So Mark, there's really no excuse for not having reviews. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.